I'm here with Brett from Parris RV, proud sponsor of the Good for Utah Road Tour. And this is just bite-sized for anybody out there that wants to pull something and hit the road.
It's a perfect trailer. You know, you've got yourself a minivan, a Subaru Outback, something like that, something that only tows 3,500. You can tow this tent trailer. It's a 2025 Rockwood Freedom Series. The model's called a 2318 FT. It only weighs 2,500 pounds. So literally you can get out, unhook it, push it by hand, grab it, spin it around, push it into your garage, get it in the back country between the trees. You know, it's not killing you going up the canyon and up the roads. It's lightweight, easy to tow, see over the top, see around it. On the other hand, where you get where you're going, you've got a push button. The roof goes up, you pull the beds out, it turns into a 23-foot trailer that sleeps 8. You've got a sofa, you've got a dinette that's large on a slide out. And just because it's small doesn't mean you're missing anything. It's got air conditioning, it's got a furnace, it's got hot water, 26 gallons of water, a shower, a toilet, a refrigerator, indoor cooking. It comes with an outside griddle. Everything you need to take your family out. Your family, see if you got a minivan, you got a family of 6, 7 or something, you take this thing with you.
And
right.
go, I said Honda Pilot, you said yes.
No problem.
Hook it on up. Do you know what was surprised, Brett, is the room?
It's got a lot of room because it's got that great big slide out on the side. It's got roof racks on the top, crossbars. Put your bicycles up there. You could probably put probably 4 bicycles up there. Maybe you've got paddle boards, put those on the roof. But small, lightweight, easy to tow. Get it into a campground because it has campground hookups, or take it out off the grid. It's got solar panels, everything you need, everything in a small, compact, easy to tow.
Get out there, get exploring. Our thanks to Parris RV, and stay tuned to find out where the Good for Utah Road Tour is today.